Hello friends, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to you on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss about the more professional videos and more professional topic about Python. So all database operation, insert, delete, update, search, as well as the login system. First of all, how to log in the admin, and if admin are not registered, so first of all she must go to the registration page, and after registering themselves, then he will log in again and he will navigate to the proper main website, and here she can do all that thing what he want to do, that is the database operation. So this is the very popular videos I have made already, and previous video from Canada's peers, from Africa's many countries are guys are enjoyed that video very popularly, and lots of love you have given me. So I thank to all that person and all that my friends and students. So this is the and inspiring that thing and inspiring me that thing, and I am making the another more professional video. So let's start. Yes, I am showing some demo. First of all, my Apache and MySQL is properly running, so you have to install XAMPP in your system, and how to download and install the I will paste in the description box. Okay, and where I am going to my C directory where the my all file are parked in this mean XAMPP, and here you could do yes, and first file I will run are simple. First sign in file I will show you. This is the sign in file, and I am showing the demo. After this file, after showing or watching this file, you can go to the search and nothing but erase it and type here localhost. If your server is running, then this is the PHP script, and after taking the input from user, it will go to the Python script. So in this video we will use the Python as a backend, and front end just we will use the HTML and PHP, simple, nothing but. Okay, but if you are registered, suppose that Shyam and anything name 123, if I enter that thing whatever, this is the password, and if I sign in, then password incorrect message will be displayed here because I have not registered. But if I registered, if I proper and right answer, right password, yes, if I insert, then yes, admin Shyam Bhatia successfully, and now you can go to the main website. This is the login system, and here all operation we will do. Roll number, enter username, address, male, female, and here the MBBS and courses, and one more powerful feature, that is the choose file, upload image. This is and everything, upload image. Okay, I am cutting it. Everything will be done in a password, and this image will be stored in database. Yes, everything I will show in this series, and it may be 3 or 4 or 5 videos in this series because it is the starting series. So but I will teach you properly everything without anything. Okay, and yes, if you are if you are capable, then just you can support our channel. So link in the description box, so you can donate us to support the channel. It is also my request to, if you are capable, and if you are a student and you are just not capable, just enjoy it, and just say to thanks to the YouTube community and YouTube founders and YouTube employees. I also welcome that thing. So all YouTube making and YouTube employee providing such a precious platform in a COVID-19 era. Okay, and etc. Oh, so it is nothing but, so if you are log out, let's come here, and if you are not signed, go. If you are not registered, then go to the here, and here insert the all this thing, and first register. After registering, go to the this page. So this coding, you can say this is the simple coding, and I am explain in this video, not in this video, in coming, but in this current video I will explain the sign up process. I will explain the sign up process. This is I will explain. So let's I have made the another folder, that is the Mango folder, okay, for you, okay, and here the all of their thing, form, sign in. So first of all I will explain today. This is the sign up page, okay, and how to do that, nothing but it is the very simple. Here I am explaining that thing, and after new coming videos are I will explain. So first of all, sign up dot, and if you run it and open that, how it is work or not. Yes, it's working. And how to show here, close localhost and enter. Yes, it's working. But how to do that, I am starting it. And first of all, starting the coding, it has been, before starting the coding you have to do the two things. What is the two thing? Where your Python path is setted or not, and where you the XAMPP setting are made or not. So let's come here, and here friends, you will see first of all stop and stop, okay, and go to the config page, okay, and here Apache httpd.config, okay, open it. Yes, here control F and add handler, find next, just search here, and inside the add handler you will find the CGI script and .cgi, .pl, that is called Perl, .asp active server page, and .py. In your case .py is absent, so you have to add that .py. After adding it, just go to the file and save. Because I made it already, so I just save it, and after that start, okay. And another setting is environment variable. So many of the guys facing that problem from Canada as well as the African countries and Malaysia and all that guys are facing that problem. So go to this my PC. If you are using the Windows 7, then go to the computer, okay, my computer or computer, whatever, and here go to the properties, right click on this PC and go to the properties, okay. And if you are go to the properties, then another window will pop up here, and go to the advanced variable settings, here go to the environment variable, and here go to the system variable, and after the new, and nothing but edit, okay. Nothing but new, you can why it is not taking? It is not taking because you have to select the path Windows, C Windows, system 32W, select and edit, okay. And if you make edit, then here the Python path already I have setted, but and you have to click new, and here the paste that file up to the script folder, C Python 37 and script, and where it will get, just come here and go to the C directory, here C directory, and I have made it Python 37. In your case it may be app data, local programs, and etc., and your Python location is that, okay. And after taking that script folder, copy that location and paste it, where I made it, here just make it and paste it, because but I have already setted this part Python 37 script, so I will erase it. And another path Python 37 also you have to take it, here this path Python 37, because application Python this is here. So copy this path and control C, and again it is also paste in that folder, make this and new, okay. But already I have pasted, so again I am removing it, but I am making for you, okay. This two setting before starting this Python coding you have to do, and after that okay, and again okay, that's complete, okay. Come here the nothing but after making these two setting, there will be no error will reflect in your case. And I am coding the front end of the sign up page, because in this video we will make sign up page, sign in page, it does mean login system in Python, and फिर all operation in the Python script. So input in all operation, insert, delete, update, search, all code operation, we will take the input from again HTML or PHP, and after taking it will process in a Python as a backend language. So let's start. This is the signup.php and it's working or not. So HTML head open and close, style open and close. .btn, what does it mean, friends? It is the class. Yes, .btn, it is the class. Dot stands for class and hash stands for, if I write here hash btn, it does mean it is the function. Function has a limited scope and it will implement on a limited activities, but class have a huge scope and it can be implemented on the group and etc. So inside the all color, it does mean the font color and background linear gradient. It does mean color will appear gradually. Here, yes, red and blue. Yes, blue is not appearing instantly, but it is disappearing slowly, and after the other color is also are making you say red and blue, and the combination of red and blue, that is the amazing color. Red and blue, the combination is the what you can say, purple, and I don't know, girls know very well that thing, what is the color about. Yeah, nice. Okay, so nothing but take it simply logic. So it is the two left. It does mean this implementation will be starting from blue to red. Okay, so red from leftmost, is it okay or not? Yes, leftmost in that button. So it is doing that, and all text in the center. So it register is the equidistance from all the sides, and another is the font size is 20, and if I make just like 10 and control S, and if I make it refresh, then the font size will be reduced. Yes, it is the font size but it is the very just I'm making 20 is the optimum size. It is the more clear visibility. Okay, and if it not more clear visibility, then you can cite. Okay, so it is the CSS coding, cascading style sheet, and all this script effect I have bundled in a btn class. Okay, and just nothing but the style close, head close, and inside body. Yes, but body is not working, so the body I didn't close, I think. Yes, it's very wrong. Body is not closed, HTML is also not closed. So control S, I made mistake. No, not mistake. Okay, until and unless you didn't make mistake in coding, then you will not learn coding. Okay, what will where friends we are? Yes, I take inside the body, I take the div tag. It does mean division heading tag. Welcome to the E Academy Python web application, advanced web application. So friend, please like it also. Form tag and action signup.py, where it is exist or not. Yes, this is the Python script signup.py, where I will also open in again in Notepad. Yes, it is also I explain, but I will explain it later, because action attribute pointing that the signup.py will fetch, will absorb all that entries, all that values which is input by user in a front end, and signup.py what is it? Is nothing but frame, it is the backend language. Method is post, you can use the get also. Let's do down. Yes, that is the B tag, and it does mean enter the first name, it will appear the bold. Everyone know that it is the simple, no need to tell anything. Input, here the input type is text, and first name placeholder. It does mean it will appear like that input. Yes, and I made it required. So if until you will not enter that any values, then you will not navigate to the next entries. Required, what does it mean? It is the client side validation. Also it is called the client side validation. Okay, tongue twister. No, and it is the BR, that is used for new line break. Okay, and similarly username, and similarly username and first name username, or you can also use what, last name. You can also use last name. Okay, it is also use last name, and just control S, it is nothing but enter the address again placeholder. All these things are made it required. So until and unless you will not enter any input, then you will not navigate on the next interest. Select the gender, nothing but it is the select tag or nothing. Okay, I have to take the selector, but you can also take the select tag, but here the gender, but name will be same. Name will be same for all that thing, all that three thing, because you have to do that. Any one value at a time you can take from that site. Okay, male, female, or other. Yes, it may be this community is also using that thing, so we have to respect LGBT. And here anyone want to that, then proudly mention your gender. Okay, I am that gender and I am using, yeah, I am learning your videos from it. Okay, and that I will proud on you. Okay, our society will respect all that communities. Okay, so in the world, many countries having the narrow sightedness about that country, about that our fellows. So definitely I respect you, definitely. So any gender if you have, then just put and enter the password. Password is also name password, and here it is also required must. And after select the country, and I use the select tag. What does it mean? It is also like that, it is also like that radio button, but I am taking nothing but the India, China, USA, and everything option values, and just BR. And what I did, friends, select and BR, and line input 1, and here is the name, submit 1, and register. And if you reset, then just a clear button. And this is the line. What line? Line is this line, that is, friend, here is the blue line above, and so it is the professional looking. And after submit, and after center, and inside the center I have made it I will write the mango. I will write, because I folder change for you, and sign in.php already registered. Then you have to navigate form tag close, div tag close, body tag close, HTML close, and everything I have saved. Just run, go to the that form, and if you run that, and where it will python.web. Okay, after doing that, what will I open? This signup.py. Okay, that is the most important file, and I have already opened. Yes, friend, here you have to concentrate properly. That is the simple, nothing but. Here how to do that. First line, where it comes, so go to the C directory, go to the XAMPP, go to the C directory, and where it is Python install, and here copy that thing. Okay, in your case C app data, local programs, and whatever it may be, so you have to copy all that file, all that locations. And after copying, I have to copy that our application. Where is the application? Where is the application? Your application, yes, this is the application, 98 KB. Okay, this application. So after copying that, control C and paste inside the okay, which paste inside that thing. And here /, not /. From many countries, many guys made such a mistake, and their program are not running. So this is the /, so make it that is the /, friend. Okay, control S. And after making this thing, you have to make text.html, print, and center. These three line, one line, two line, and import CGI. These three line, if you are not included, then you in your life you will not able to run your Python script. So this line you have to and after text obliques HTML, it will allow you to use the HTML script. And H1 stands for heading tag. Okay, and started body, inside body two color lines, two blue colored line. Okay, where is two blue colored line? Just where is my go to the register. Go to the register, nothing but I have made just what I will database name I am changing because it will not insert value any, but yes, go to the insert any Sham Bhatia, enter the values Ujjain and mail, okay, and password anything, and I am India. Just you can say the USA, and if you register, then you can navigate here. Your Python script has been run, but your insertion is not made. Why your insertion is not? Because database work we didn't made it. So this is the mistake. So this is the nothing but, and form is equal to CGI dot field storage. This is the most important line. CGI common gateway interface, and using that we have imported that thing and inserted first name, it is the comment. Using the hash we can do the comment, and after the first name, how get value and first name. What is the first name? It is the same name. First name, it is the that first name, friends. This is just you have to copy, that is you have to copy and paste here first name, and if you taking the last name, whatever the user will enter last name, it will store in that variable, and this is the unique name. You can say ID or whatever name, and form dot get value, it is the framework to do such allow thing, okay. You see, and similarly address equal to form dot get values, it is the nothing but where you can say address last name, and here the gender male female, or only you will name the gender, and user whatever will enter, it will come, okay. Yes, and after doing all that thing, you have to import the MySQL connector. How to download and install, I will paste the link in description box. Follow that instruction and do that. Okay, now I am creating the con. What does it mean? It is the connection. MySQL connector connect, and first of all pass you have to user as a root, then all privileges you can get, and you can act as an admin, and password I am for the present I am just leaving it blank, and host you everyone know that localhost, and database name I have blanked. So what is my database name? I am just taking the database name professional Python, professional, or a simply name, just a very easy name, just a simple my database Python data, simple Python data. This is my database name. Just copy it and create database. But before creating that database, I will explain that it is the cursor, and it have made the object from using the connection variable, and execute the SQL queries, insert into the table, sign up table. You can make any table, but for the meaningful sense you can take the sign up, sign in, insert table. So it is table in values, percentages for string variable, okay. And in this string places it is presently blank, but the whatever the variable is stored in first name, that will stored in a first percentages column, and then last name it will insert here, and address it will insert, all like that, okay. So all these three things will be insert automatically whenever the user entered from front end, from HTML or PHP, okay, whatever. So it will come, and if you make automate, then I have made it execute create table if not exist, and if it table is not existed, then table will create, but I will show you manually how to do it, okay. And the values first name, gender, password, and countries, and here the put the comma, here the we are executing two queries with its variable name, and commit, it has been perform that queries, and after that close the cursor, after that close the connection, and congrats, and first name, that is the first name whatever, and last name all show like that Sham Bhatia. So Sham Bhatia registered successful, and if you are already registered, and if you are already registered, this is the sign up. Okay, and inside the Mango and sign up.php, and if you want to the main, then it is the hyperlink, but uh, copy that thing. Okay, and just copy this and go to the here, type the localhost, because localhost, and I am going to the no localhost, and I am going to the dashboard, friends. Yes, and here the php my admin, here the php admin. Follow these steps very concentratedly. Okay, please concentrate on it. Okay, and until and unless you are not able to do that, then you are not able to that coding. Yes, why it is taking the so much time, friends? Because it's yes. Okay, ignore all. Okay, I am ignoring if sometime. Okay, and here the new, you can or just here the database are new. Okay, here I present, and here the yes, paste the database name which is we have copied. Yes, uh, why Python data, and here the how to do that, general CGI UTF at general CGI you have to take. So where it UTF-2 UCS UTF-8, okay, down 32, and here yes UTF-8 general CI, yes, take it and create. Okay, database has been created, where Python data has been created. And what is the table name what I have made already. Why table name is sign name. You can take any name, but I am taking the meaningful name, related name. You can take any name what you like. Okay, and how much number of columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have made it 6 column. Just put and go to the insert. Okay, just a data source. First name is what? First name is nothing but ID. Okay, it is the integer. And second name is what is the name? Just to go to the your script, just to go to the script, and what, nothing but first name. So what I made first name, nothing but, oh, let's go to the here, nothing but first name is where I will here is nothing but what is coming ID. Here is nothing but ID. It is the first name. Just that is the most important and similar thing. Same thing here is the uh, this name also same. This name like that, this name, and make it in use. So not ID, it is the first name, and it is the also varchar, variable character, and maximum limit 255. So I am taking the 200 length of your name. So let's do. And next is 9. Yeah, next is last name. Take it like that. Okay, take it like that, last name. Yes, it is also varchar, and also 200 or just 100 last name. And after, what is the address? I am taking the fast so to save the time. Okay, and after address, what after address, gender, password, and select gender, password, gender, what friends, gender, password, and select gender, password, and select. Yes, select or only select one. What I have used only select. So select, but which variable I have used password, which variable I have used, country variable. Okay, country variable. So you can also take it like that, or simple take the countries. So you have to first priority is take the country. Okay, and paste inside the country. Okay, it is the column name of your table. Varchar, make it every varchar. Okay, after set the limit, okay, 100. After setting that thing, just go to the save. and if you make, your table will be created, and if you make, then your table will be created, and your table name is sign up. But this table having the 6 column, but right now it didn't have any. Okay, after making this thing, so then first name, last name, gender, and password, and country, all these 3 things we have made. And now we will insert, the first name, that is nothing but Sham, and surname is Bhatia, address you can say Delhi, and after making that, the mail, and password, just for example 12345 India, that is the country name India. And if you make the registration, yes, Sham Bhatia has been successfully registered, and if you here go to there and refresh, and yes, Sham Bhatia Delhi, mail and password 12345, and country, that's all. So the table is working, so insertion data is working, so insertion is working. And go to the main page, and here you come here. So in this way, in this video friends, we have another name, it is the nothing but the Divya, last name Sharma, and nothing but Delhi, so address USA, and and just female, and nothing but password 123, and country just like USA, and just register. Yes, Divya Sharma has registered successfully. Go here and just refresh, and find, yes, and you can find the Divya Sharma USA, and all credentials are entering here. Now in next video, this is video I am terminating here. Now the next part we will discuss how to compare that video with the inserting data, which will insert from front end by the user will enter that data, and that data will come. So in next video we will design the sign in or login page. We will design the login page, how to log in that, and how to cross match that existing value in database with the user enter the database. If this value is correct, then we will call him you are correctly login, otherwise we can say incorrect username or password. Generally we will see in the internet world. So in this video I have just to explain. So this is the first video. Share, subscribe, and like. Okay, and very soon we will meet in a next video. Bye bye.